Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our Friday EGM Securities Update. I got Kevin Ganga back in the house. Kevin, it's so good to see you again.
Happy Friday. How are you doing?
No, very well. And yourself, you're looking very dapper.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
It's important for us to always look at oil.
Yes.
Because this is something for us to look
So
at.
this is interesting. I remember a few weeks ago we were talking, it was up here.
It was up here.
And then we started to mention the election, the midterms, the risk around that. So we've come off. I mean, actually it's come off
quite a bit.
Big time, $6.
A couple of things that our market is actually looking at. US inventories are highest since 2017. But there's something that has come out from yesterday's oil news. China's throughput on their refinery is up to 12.5 million barrels a day, which means that China demand for oil is starting to surge. That could support the Brent in the medium term. I think it's very critical, but as well, you need to understand that rising US inventories, a US election in October, you don't want to have a conversation where oil price is a key theme in the election. So the interesting factors to play out, I think there's going to be a bit of volatility out on the US. So anybody trading US oil or UK oil, Brent or WTI, I think you need to be very careful. There could be some spikes up and down over the next few days.
And of course, I mean, there's a lot of geopolitics swirling around. We've got the Saudi situation.
You've got the Saudi, you've got the Iran. Yes, so the Iranian embargo kicks in on November 4th. You could probably see a lot of people taking up Iranian oil cargo ahead of that.
Yes.
So that could spike up a bit.
Maybe that's what fed the Chinese, that they sucked it in.
Probably that. That's probably what it is. So I think theme into the next week, we saw the Fed minutes come through.
They were hawkish. Was the market, because the dollar started strengthening the moment everybody read it.
Exactly. So, and I think that's also another theme that's been read into what we've seen on the cable and the euro dollar. Politics is going to be key over the next few weeks. If Trump can amp up their tempo, you've got Saudi, of course, the Saudi conversation, very sad situation that we are seeing. But I think geopolitics is going to be a big drive over the next month into the end of the year, I believe.